What's the meaning of borsch? Borsch. Borsch.
Borsch. Borsch. Borsch is a soup that has its origins in Eastern Europe and is typically made with beets, cabbage, and other vegetables. It is often served with a dollop of sour cream on top and can be enjoyed hot or cold. The soup has a distinctive deep red color due to the beets and has a slightly tangy and earthy flavor. Borsch is a popular dish that is often associated with Russian, Ukrainian, and Polish cuisine, and it is considered to be a hearty and satisfying meal. Overall, borsch is a unique and flavorful dish that has a long and rich history in Eastern European culinary traditions.